Today, we are exploring the Sinharaja Rainforest in Sri Lanka.
One of the last remaining primary rainforests on Earth.
This is the Sri Lankan kangaroo lizard. See how it holds its tail up.
These little mud dwellers are quick, but look at those tiny fins.
Oh, look at this one. A lanternfly, almost like a flying gem. So colourful.
Look at this one, beautiful claws, very calm.
These are moss worms. Honestly, kind of cute when you look close.
Look at these tiny ones, red like little jewels. They move so slow.
Ah, these are Sri Lankan red ants. If one bites known, trust me, you will dance. These are wild honeybees, and they're not aggressive unless threatened. Look how gently they move.
Ayo, okay. I respect you. Okay, update. I got 2 stings, maybe 3, okay, maybe 4. But that's my fault, I went too close. Ah, here it comes. Oh, it's raining again. Rainforest, rain is like breathing. In the way it just happens small any time.
We'll take a small break. When the rain slows down, we continue exploring.
Little ducker, you're not invited to my rainforest spa.
Ah, look at this one, pure gold. Nature really makes the best jewelry, eh? We'll keep it safe.
Look at these little mud dwellers. So tiny and quick.
Ah, here we go, little forest wanderers. Easy now, we'll keep you safe.
Look at these little gems. So colourful and active.
These little guys love the mud, but let's give them a safe ride for now.
Tiny night stalkers. Careful, one wrong move and they might pinch, so slow and steady.
Look at these little whiskered guys hiding under the leaves.
Ah, little armored explorers, careful now, don't pinch.
Look at these tiny rainbow travelers. Easy now.
Ah, little rainforest rollers. So legs, so slow. These day geckos are like tiny ghosts. They blend with the tree so well. Little moss jumpers, so delicate, so tiny.
Tiny red wrigglers. Look at those colors.
Look at this one, the gentle giant of the rainforest. Many legs, but no rush.
These are tiny freshwater clams, hiding just under the sand.
These little guys are fast. Every time I think I got him, he says, nope.
Bro, this looks like it was made in a factory. But nope, this is just nature flexing. Jewel beetle, real life rainbow.
Ah, tiny tree froglet. They look like living raindrops, don't they?
Look at these little lanterns. Nature's tiny magic lights.
If you're enjoying the journey, Don't forget to subscribe.